a question of if or maybe, it's a fact. We all know South African rural society are facing a challenge of higher number of uneducated villagers. That's why we are addressing problem statement number 3 by creating a website that will be used by young and old, students and teachers in and outside the classroom to make health educational, fashionable, as well as raising an awareness. Students' knowledge towards a health subject like life science, life orientation will be improved by our website, and senior citizens will get health tips online and will be able to make online consultation with doctors as the impact will be added to our society. Our product will give health tips freely, and there will be pre-recorded free consultation as well as live payable consultation with doctors online. It will give health online short courses with downloadable certificate at the end of the course and books included. Financial viability, the website will generate income through online users of audio, video tips and short courses. Website will be sold to SMEs. The income traffic of users and online ads will generate income or money. Marketing strategy is that we will approach the private schools and public entities. We will use educational blogs and social medias, and we will sign up with website promoters. This is our welcoming website page where you will see the doctors as well as exploring the doctors in your location depending on the province you are in. You can talk to our healthcare advisors down here. When you scroll up under our book, as we said, this website is educational, health awareness. You will find books where you can read depending on the subject. On this part, you can book a slot starting from 0 rand going up. When you click book, you click the check-in date as well as the check-out date, and then you book and get the free consultation with the doctor. Under health information, that's where our blogs are, and you can read information there. On the login, you can type in your account name, password, and sign in. And when you sign in, you will find the dashboard welcoming page with all your information like this one. This is our presentation.